31 Northstar Circle was honored as Mountain Living's Home of the Year. And when you see it, you'll know why. Originally designed by renowned Aspen architect Lee Pardee and constructed with reclaimed logs salvaged from the historic Yellowstone fires, the home blends authentic mountain character with exceptional craftsmanship. In 2023, the residence underwent a nearly 3-year renovation, thoughtfully reimagined for modern living while preserving its timeless Western architecture. Internationally recognized interior designer Helena Flecker led the transformation, introducing a lighter contemporary interior while honoring the home's original materials and character. The main level centers around a dramatic great room with an oversized open flame river rock fireplace, formal dining for 10, and a stunning custom Italian kitchen. Set on 2 private acres with views of Sunshine Peak and the Continental Divide, outdoor living is expansive and inviting. A wraparound covered porch creates inviting spaces for gathering and entertaining, while a separate wood-burning outdoor lounge, covered ping pong area, oversized hot tub spa, and private pond for summer fishing and winter pond hockey extend the experience outdoors. The bedroom layout offers comfortable separation for family and guests, along with what is truly one of the best primary suites in Aspen. Located just minutes from downtown Aspen and adjacent to the 245-acre Northstar Nature Preserve along the Roaring Fork River, 31 Northstar Circle represents a rare blend of design, privacy, livability, and craftsmanship.